Hi, and thanks for tuning in to The Teacher's Teacher. Today we're going to look at TI-Nspire Calculator hacks that can be used to help master the Algebra 1 STAR EOC test. Let's get started on a video on how to use solving systems of a linear equation. Let's take a look at problem number 52 on the right. What is the x value of the solution to this system of equations? X equals 2y minus 4 and 7x plus 5y equals negative 66. Let's highlight the key information given in the problem. We're looking for the x value to the solution for the system of equations. And in this system, again, we have two equations. X equals 2y minus 4 and 7x plus 5y equals negative 66. You will notice that neither of these equations is in slope-intercept form. So, in order to have our calculator solve it, no matter what form the equations are in, you're going to press the home screen. Then you're going to click on Calculate. And then we're going to press Menu, Algebra, Solve Systems of Linear Equations. Now, it's going to ask you how many equations we have, and in this case there are two. And it's also going to ask which variables are going to be used in these equations. And in our equations we are using x and y. So we're going to press OK. In the top box we're going to enter in the first equation, exactly how it appears. X equals 2y minus 4. In the second box right below, we're going to enter in the second equation, exactly how it appears. 7x plus 5y equals negative 66. And then we're going to press enter, and you'll notice it told us that the solution to this system was negative 8, negative 2. This means that these two lines intersect at the ordered pair negative 8, negative 2. Our question asked us what the x value of the solution is. And we know in an ordered pair, the first number represents our x value, the second number represents our y value. So our x value in our solution is negative 8. The answer to our problem would be H, negative 8. Thanks for watching.